kailangan din sa balance and yeah, just amazing acting from my fellow actors.
Parang iba-iba naman. Salamat po. Thank you lahat ng
Sana nag-enjoy ka. Kasi ako nag-enjoy ako. I really had fun. And yeah, ako naman dito si Dax. We're both athletes, we're both swimmers. Pero you guys will see my unathletic body later, so sana ma-excite kayo. But yeah, let's just watch the movie.
Okay, so ako po ay, sana po ay makita ko hindi na-cut out yung yung eksena ko. Ako po ay girlfriend at ex-girlfriend of someone else. Pa-mystery. Oh, look!
Ayun, alright. Thank you so much for sharing your characters. Ladies and gentlemen, di na po namin patatagalin pa. Please. Alright, hey sir. Hello po. Dito po tayo sa gitna. We want this to look like, because it is a Barkada movie or Barkada night, so we have the whole Barkada present. Hi. Alright, where's the mic? The mic. Where's the mic po? I borrow the mic. Ayan, nauwi niyo yung mic. Hindi, nandito lang po. Okay. Everyone spoke na from our first batch. Sa mga karating lang po, your thoughts or your message. Ayan, may mic na. Just pass the mic. Your message to the rest of the Fruitcake friends present, the Fruitcake Barkada. Hi, Kuya Ems.
Hi everyone, good evening. Ako po si Karina Bautista and thank you so much for joining us sa aming mga friends from the media, sa ating mga influencers, sa aming friends and family na pumunta and of course sa mga supporters namin. Syempre, thank you so much for joining us tonight and sana po tomorrow, abangan nyo po dahil showing na sa cinemas ang Fruitcake, directed po by Direk Joel Ferrer and here po ako po si Stacy, so abangan po natin ang kwento ni Stacy. Thank you guys!
Yes, ayan. So maraming salamat po. Hello po sa inyo lahat. This is Makoy Dubs. And una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Create Cinema, sa Cornerstone Studios, and sa Star Magic for making this movie, ang Barkada movie ng taon. Ang role ko po dito ay isa sa mga best friends ni Heaven at kami po ni Donna Cariaga. Ayun po. Masaya po itong movie na ito. Pag uwi po ninyo, marami po kayong realizations. That's true po. Ayan. So thank you once again and enjoy the movie po.
Ayun, so hello, ako po si Katie Estrada and hello everybody. Thank you so much for coming tonight, everyone from the media, all of our celebrity friends, and of course I'd like to thank Cornerstone, Great Cinema, Star Magic, the management, and of course si Direk John. I love you too. And ayun, maraming salamat. It's all have fun kasi itong movie na to very light-hearted lang pero ang dami ng tinatakal na issues. Very relevant, I would say, very modern. But as time goes on, I think this will just keep on being relevant and tackle on those same issues as before. So thank you so much, everybody.
Ayan, good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming. Hindi ko napapahabain kasi nasabi nila lahat. But tomorrow showing yung Fruitcake June 12. And sana after watching this movie tonight, ayain niyo yung mga kaibigan niyo, yung pamilya, panoorin itong movie nito kasi sobrang saya ng movie nito and I really think it's gonna be a classic Barkada film. So sana po mag-enjoy kayo tonight and again, thank you guys so much for coming. I play Tasha here, a vlogger na girlfriend ng character ni Alex. So yeah, please enjoy everybody and thank you for coming.
Yes, check sound check. I'm Emboy, driver po ako ni Enchong. Kaya po ako nandito, babalik ko 1.5. I played the role of Poch, love interest po ni Miss Ria Taide and sobrang mag-enjoy po kayo dito sa Fruitcake at sit back and relax, pili na po kayo ng popcorn nyo at saka water and then thank you sa pag-suporta nyo at pagpunta dito sa premiere night ng Fruitcake. Alright.
Thank you. Pwede ka nang... Okay na. Okay na. Fingerprint lang yung sasakyan. Joke lang. Hindi, magandang gabi po. Maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo. Sana po matulungan nyo kami na ma-share
ma-share at mapalaganap yung pelikulang Fruitcake. Nasa sa inyo po yan kung magugustuhan ninyo sa yung performance ni Empoy. Pero maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo. Bukas, it's a holiday, no work, no school. So please help us and makasama namin kayo. Thank you po.